Okay, I want to show you the construction of an involute of a triangle and an involute of a square. Okay, whenever you are asked to construct an involute, whether it is for triangle or it is for a square, you'll be given the length of side of the triangle or the length of side of the square. So the next thing that you need to do is that you number as I numbered the triangle and the square here. So this is 0.1, this is 0.2, and this is 0.3. So after doing this, the next thing that you need to do is to extend the sides. You extend the sides for this side 1 and 2, for this side 1 and 2. So you extend it in this direction. Extend this line to this point. Then this line 2, 3, it goes in this direction. You extend it like this. Okay, then this line 1 and 3, it goes in this direction. So extend it to this side. So it goes like this. Okay, now after doing this, the next thing that you need to do is to take your compass. Take your compass and you put the pinpoint at 0.1. Put the pinpoint at 0.1 and you extend it to 0.3 here. Extend it to 0.3 here. There is it. Then from this 0.3, draw an arc. The arc goes like this. So when it touches this line that comes out from 1 and 2, stop it there. Stop it there. So there is it. So draw an arc. Okay. So this point where the arc touch line 1, 2, call it P1. So this is point P1. Then you put your compass at 0.2. Put the compass at 0.2. Extend it to P1. Extend it to P1 here. Extend it to P1. So this is P1. Extend it to P1. Okay, extend it to P1. Then you draw an arc from P1. It goes like this. Okay. So this is it. This is it. So this point where the line touched line 2, 3, call it P2. So this is P2. Okay. So the next thing that you do is that put your compass at 0.3 and extend it to P2. As I'm doing here, extend to P2. This is it. Extend to P2. This is it. And you draw an arc. So the arc comes like this. So when you get to this point on the line, so you stop it there. Okay. So this point is point P3. Okay. This point is point P3. So this shape or this curve is the involute of a triangle. Is the involute of a triangle. So the triangle has a length 20 mm. It has a length 20 mm. So one thing about an involute is that when you are done, the distance from point 3 and point P3 will be equal to the perimeter of the given triangle. So the perimeter of this triangle is 60 mm. As I said, the length of side is 20 mm. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 will give us 60 mm. So the distance from this point 3 and point P3 must be equal to 60 mm. Let's take the measurement and see if we are correct. This is it. This is it. This is 60 mm. It is accurately 60 mm. So that is one of the properties of an involute. Now the next one that you want to do is that you want to construct the involute of a square. So a square has already been constructed and I've numbered the points on the square. We have 4 points. We have 4 points. I've numbered the square, the points on the square 1 to 4. This is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, and this is point 4. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to extend this line 1 2 in this direction. So it comes down like this. Okay, then line 2 3, extend it in this direction, and line 3 4, extend it in this direction. Okay, then the last one is line 1 and 4, it goes in this direction. Okay, so this is it. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we take our compass. Take your compass, put it at point 1, and you extend it to 4. Extend it to 4, as I'm showing it here. Extend it to point 4 here. Here is it. Then you draw an arc from point 4. So when you touch this line, when you touch the line 1 2, so you stop it there. So we call this point, call it point P1. So this is P1. Then put your compass at 2. Put your compass at point 2 and extend to P1. Extend it to P1. Then draw an arc. Draw an arc like this. Okay, so this point, so we can call this point, you can call it point P2. So this is P2. Then the next is that put your compass at point 3. So I'm doing here, put it at point 3 and extend to P2 here. Extend it to P2. Okay, so when you get to P2, you draw an arc. The arc goes like this. Okay, so the next is put your compass at point 4. But before that, I am going to label this point. This is P3. Okay, so the next is put your compass at point 4 here. And you extend it to P3. So I'm doing here, extend it to P3. Okay, then draw an arc. So the arc goes like this. So when you touch this line, stop it there. Okay, so this is point P4. So this is point P4. So what I've done here is that I've constructed the involutes of a square. The involute of a square. As I said before, that the distance from the starting point to the end point or to the last point will be equal to the perimeter of the given shape. So this shape is a square and the length of side is 20 mm. The length of side is 20 mm. So the perimeter of this square now is now 80 mm. That is 20 times 4 will give us 80 mm. So if I take a measurement from point 4 to point P4, it must be equal to 80 mm. This is equal to 80 mm. So the construction of an involute of a triangle and that of square is as simple as I've shown here. And again, I've done that of the construction of the involute of a circle, which I uploaded some days ago. So you need to learn this. Very, very important for any technical drawing student. So you need to learn this. So subscribe to my channel, like the channel, and share with friends who are technical drawing students. So this thing is simple. All you need to do is to practice. So you can follow the same dimensions that I used, or you can make your own dimensions. So there is no problem. There's no problem. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to you can send your question to me through the channel, or you send your question to me directly through my phone number 08156995767. So that is my WhatsApp number. Thank you.